Hello friends, my name is Rudin VS. You're watching me on TechMerize YouTube channel. It is clear that all these flagship phones have stopped giving 3.5mm audio jack. Do we really know what is the exact reason for them stopping this 3.5mm audio jack? In today's video, we are going to uncover the real reason why they stopped it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. In any public event, when they launch a phone with no 3.5mm audio jack, with the predecessor having an audio jack, they'll give some reason for removing that audio jack. It will be some standard responses like to improve water resistance, that is the IP rating of a phone. That is the reason I believe Apple gave in their presentation after they removed 3.5mm audio jack from their phone. So once Apple is following something, every other small player started following the same thing. Like they removed 3.5mm audio jack just to be like Apple, even though the phones which they launched does not have any IP rating. For example, OnePlus removed their 3.5mm audio jack from their phones and they do not have any IP rating in their phone. And above that, the reason they are given for this removal is ridiculous. Like they told they need to improve battery capacity of the phone, and to improve battery capacity and to keep this 3.5mm audio jack together in the phone, they do not have enough space in the phone. Like seriously, increase the width of the phone or increase the height of the phone. Like I'm okay with it. Don't remove that 3.5mm audio jack. People love that audio jack. Like you need to consider that. But some companies kept this headphone jack even after years of Apple removing it. One of the main company that kept this headphone jack is Samsung in flagship lineup. So in their flagship lineup, they used to have this 3.5mm audio jack, but in their recent flagship, they have removed it. So the real reason, it's not to improve battery life, it's not to improve any water resistance, it is something else. When Apple introduced AirPods, they got rid of 3.5mm audio jack from their phone so as to increase the sales of these AirPods. The same technique is used by OnePlus when they introduced wireless bullets. They have got rid of 3.5mm audio jack from their phone lineup so as to increase this wireless headphone sales. When Samsung Galaxy Buds were introduced this year, they got rid of 3.5mm audio jack from their flagship lineup. It is pure business. They don't really care about what the customers want. Every time a tech YouTuber takes a survey on whether we need to keep this 3.5mm audio jack, the response is highly positive towards keeping it. But still, they are not taking the feedback from the customers or the experts which are in this field. So it's pure business, nothing else. That's it friends, thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon before you leave so that you will get notified about the latest tech videos whenever I upload. Goodbye, see you on the next video.